Hello everyone. Hi. Welcome to my channel once again. Of course, it's Val, and I just wanted to check in with you and to give you a quick update and my thoughts on the 10-day green smoothie cleanse that we embarked on, Topaz and I. Of course, I did mention that we were inspired by this book. It's called 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse by J.J. Smith. Has good reviews and a lot of people have tried it. I must say I did not achieve to my satisfaction what I wanted in terms of the weight, but for me I was so inspired that this is now going to be a lifestyle change. What I was pleased about was that my whole taste has changed. I think I needed something like this. I had to retrain my taste buds. So now I wake up in the morning, or we wake up in the morning, and we just want to get in that kitchen and do a green smoothie. So for that reason, I am so happy that I did this challenge. And like I say, it is now a lifestyle change. So many things that I felt that I was hooked on and it was a struggle to give up is no longer a struggle. And while we were doing this cleanse, the thought came to me that this cleanse may be a physical thing to improve my health status, but I also thought about cleansing of the thought pattern, and I pledged myself to give up negative words. Can't say that I have been 100% successful with that, but like many things, it takes time. But I have improved a great deal. I choose not to say negative things about myself. Like when I make a mistake, I say, what a doofus I am. No. So now I strive to think positive thoughts, to see people in a different way, and I feel that I have grown so much in that aspect. I am determined to achieve goals that I have set for myself. So all in all, this was a whole cleansing mind, soul, and body. Now let me give you an update as to what we have shed. So I lost 8 pounds. I was heading for the 15 pounds, but I know that the reason I did not do is nothing to do with the smoothies. The smoothies were great and they were so delicious. It's just that I have a trouble with drinking water. So I was not drinking my 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, but I have improved on my water intake, and so from now on I know it will only get better. I lost in my waist 3 inches. Let me do the dance. And in my hip an inch. Didn't want to lose anything there because I don't have enough already. My bust I lost an inch, and bicep an inch, and my thigh 2.5. So I'm going back to skinny legs. Topaz lost a total of 6 pounds, 3¼ inches in the waist, 3 inches in the hip, a ½ an inch in the bust, an inch on her biceps, and 6 inches on her thighs. And we have decided to walk. We weren't doing much exercise during the challenge, but from now on, we are so inspired and motivated that we have taken up walking during the day. Hot sun or not, we walk, and even, we walk today. So, all in all, I can say that this was great. I don't know if anyone was inspired to try it. I have not seen any comments as to anyone who was actually doing it, but it's not too late. You can do it starting from day one. So, like I say, from here on, we will be doing cooking videos, sewing videos, more smoothies, smoothies for liver cleanse, smoothie for immune boosting system, smoothie for energy, smoothie, and sewing, and cooking. So, as usual, give me the big thumbs up if you like what you've seen so far. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know, because we will be rolling them out. And also, please share with all your friends and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you've been enjoying, what you want to see, and just anything that you've tried and how it turned out. So bye-bye, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Until the next one, you have a great day.